started with a valve. Rusty old red piece of junk I found behind my studio.
I don't remember why I did it. My head
I was down there for a week, looking to shave a quarter-second off between the bus stop and Admiralty, which was like a half-mile away. One day, I hit my jump at the wrong angle, and I go head first through what should have been like a concrete wall. Only it wasn't. I passed right through it. I land in this tiny little box of a room, can barely stand up. Right away, it doesn't feel like I'm supposed to be there. Three of the walls, one of them just mesh with ring cabinets, like somebody had it. second. I just picked it up, looked at it. But in the back of my mind, I was still trying to work out how to shave that second off between the bus stop and Admiralty. So when I dropped the dice and I turned to walk back out of there, whoosh, I'm suddenly walking at like 30 miles per hour. I'm beyond fast. I'm like lightning. Then I looked down and I wasn't in my body anymore. I looked like a girl. Like some kind of assassin? I don't know. It scared the hell out of me, actually. At first, I thought I'd never go back down there. That feeling lasted about 3 hours. Started going back to the dice constantly. I'd roll, thinking about strength, and boom, I was this bruiser guy who could punch through a wall. Focus on gravity, and I'm some kind of soldier cat thing running on the ceiling. But it was always temporary. It would only last as long as I could focus on it. So I started focusing more and more. this isn't go find magic dice. The dice were just a jump start. The question is, what are you actually capable of doing? And what if there's a place where the limits you put on yourself here don't exist? Where literally anything is possible? That's where we are. And if you're listening to this, consider this an invitation to join us. I wish I could tell you how you're gonna find it, but every path is different. What I can say is this: stop playing the game how it's meant to be played. Look for anomalies, look for breaks, test the limits. You'll find your way.
Whoa, there you are. Okay, pretty good. But you're still a player. And a player won't survive the ascent. Even if you did, I don't need another player. What I need is a DM, a creator, a builder. Here, take this body log, go fill it with avatars, and come back.